What's up, you guys? I'm here in Nassau, Bahamas, New Providence, which is the capital. I don't know which one's which, but I started looking around for Airbnbs and I stumbled upon a property here for almost $200,000. It's a fourplex, and I just went there. I didn't film because it's, I don't know, it's a bit sketchy to film in a different country where, I don't know, I kind of feel weird about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna show pictures here. There's not much pictures online. They don't really have the Google Maps, Google Street View. And I'm on my way to the beach. We're gonna hit one more property. I'm gonna film this time because I think that property is abandoned. But the ones that I just saw is a fourplex. I think it's 175. You're gonna see it on the screen. The guy, always asks the locals. I asked him, how is it? The tenant was there outside fixing something. He said, well, we're in the ghetto, buddy, so what do you expect? I'm looking for that for a STR, short-term rental Airbnb, to see how it's gonna go, and definitely that will not be it. The second property I'm gonna be looking at just now is very close. It's 7 minutes from the downtown beach area and basically the more area that tourists are. So I think people will be more interested in buying that one. Okay, well, let's see the second property. People here drive on the other side of the street, on the left side, and it's freaking me out. I was thinking of getting a car myself, but no, not for now, at least. All right, let's see the next property, guys. This right here, the whole lot.
You wanna come up?
I mean, there's not much to see, honestly. Just that whole lot is here, and that's that. What's wrong with the neighborhood?
You probably get
Get a feeling for it.
Hold up at least 4 or 5 times a week.
I mean, it's very run down. So that for Airbnb is definitely going to be a no-go.
No-go.
But it's so close to everything else. Right?
Yeah, Jay. They're
Yeah.
going up. They're selling out to invest on the island.
When you say on the island, which island do you mean?
Exuma, Freeport, Andros, Luther.
Do you want to be on camera, by the way, or no?
No.
Okay.
I don't have social media. I want
I'm saying just for my video. I don't want to put it on social media. All right. So basically, you're saying they're selling here, so they can buy on another island.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I see a lot of Airbnbs in this area here, and I was thinking maybe. Oh, there you go.
When Kendra and I we went to Exuma to look at a few, and we found that a lot of the tourists that were there came back to purchase.
So guys, actually that was an old footage that I'm pretty sure I never released from a couple months ago. I was visiting the Bahamas for a small vacation and I stumbled upon a few properties. But truth to be told, I don't think it's worth it buying properties outside the US because we're skipping on all of the tax benefits. And the majority of us use the tax benefits to actually invest in real estate. Otherwise, it wouldn't make a lot of sense. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching for this episode. Hit like, subscribe if you enjoy that content, and don't try to look rich, just be rich. Keep hustling. See you next time. Also, if you're so inclined, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my travel channel. It is called Travel Made Simple. I'm going to leave the link down below. All right, see you guys.